to tell me that big ass, Billy Bass, bully ass, loudmouth bitch tried to do that to my friend? Oh my God. Oh my God. Do you know what I'm gonna do? Do you have any idea what I'm gonna do now? Now that you've informed me of that, I'm gonna go a little crazy. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm about to have an episode on her ass. No one messes with my friends or I go absolutely crazy. I see stars, star crazy. Listen, I do hold it down for my girls. I do hold it down for my girls. Ain't nobody, no how, no size, no shape, no form gonna do that to my girls, 'cause I do hold it down for my girls.